Imagine standing on the moon, gazing at the Earth hanging like a blue marble in the vast darkness. The sight is breathtaking, a visual feast that captures the imagination and stirs the soul. The Earth, with its swirling clouds and vibrant blues and greens, looks like a fragile gem suspended in the infinite expanse of space. We see the beauty, the colors, the silent majesty. The Earthrise over the moon's horizon is one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring views ever captured. It reminds us of our place in the universe and the delicate balance of our planet. But something crucial is missing: sound. In this vast empty expanse, there is no atmosphere to carry the vibrations that we perceive as sound. The silence is absolute, a stark contrast to the cacophony of life on Earth. The silence of space is one of the most profound differences between our terrestrial experience and the cosmic reality. It's a silence that can be both eerie and beautiful, a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the universe. Here on Earth, we're constantly bathed in sound, from the whisper of wind to the roar of traffic. The sounds of nature, the hum of human activity, and the myriad noises of daily life create a rich tapestry of auditory experiences. But in space, there's an eerie quiet, a stillness unlike anything we know. Why is space silent? The answer lies in the nature of sound itself and the environment of space. The answer lies in understanding what sound is and how it travels. Sound is a mechanical wave, a vibration that moves through a medium such as air, water, or solid materials. Without a medium, sound cannot propagate. Sound isn't an independent entity, it's a vibration that travels through a medium like air or water. When you speak, your vocal cords create vibrations that travel through the air to reach someone's ears. In water, sound travels even faster and farther. Without that medium, there's nothing for sound waves to ride on. In the vacuum of space, there are no molecules to vibrate, no air to carry the sound. This is why space is silent, a vast, echoing void where sound cannot exist. It's like trying to create ripples in a pond without any water. No matter how hard you try, without the medium, the ripples simply won't form. This profound silence of space is a reminder of the unique and delicate conditions that make life on Earth possible. Think about how we hear a guitar string being plucked. The vibrating string pushes against the air molecules around it, creating waves of compression and expansion. These waves, like tiny pulses of energy, travel through the air and eventually reach our ears. Our eardrums vibrate in response, and our brains interpret these vibrations as sound. The same principle applies to sound traveling through water or even solids. What matters is that there are molecules for the sound waves to travel through. Movies often depict space battles with roaring engines and thunderous explosions. While these sound effects add to the drama, they're scientifically inaccurate. In the vacuum of space, those epic battles would be eerily silent. Without air or any other medium to carry sound waves, explosions would be visually spectacular, but audibly non-existent. The lack of sound in space might seem strange at first, but it's a fundamental consequence of the laws of physics. Now let's bring dinosaurs into the picture. While we can't travel back in time to hear their roars, scientists have made remarkable progress in reconstructing what they might have sounded like. Fossils provide crucial clues, but they don't preserve sound directly. Instead, researchers examine the structure of dinosaur skulls, particularly the inner ear and vocal tracts. By comparing these structures to those of modern animals, especially birds, the closest living relatives of dinosaurs, scientists can make educated guesses about the range and types of sounds dinosaurs might have produced. Section 5. Fossil whispers, clues from bone structure to bird calls. Some dinosaurs likely produced deep resonant calls, much like the roars and bellows we hear from large modern-day reptiles and mammals. These sounds could have served various purposes, from attracting mates to warding off rivals or even coordinating movements within a herd, while others might have emitted high-pitched chirps or whistles, similar to the melodic calls of birds we hear today. These sounds could have been used for communication within species, signaling danger or establishing territory. The massive size of some dinosaurs suggests they could have generated infrasound, low-frequency sounds that are below the range of human hearing. These infrasounds can travel vast distances, making them ideal for long-range communication. Sounds too low for humans to hear but capable of traveling long distances. This ability would have been particularly useful in the vast prehistoric landscapes, allowing dinosaurs to communicate across great expanses. These low-frequency rumbles might have been used for communication, much like how modern elephants use infrasound to stay in touch with each other over long distances. This form of communication is crucial for maintaining social bonds and coordinating group movements, similar to how elephants communicate over long distances today. By understanding these parallels, we can gain insights into the social structures and behaviors of these ancient giants. By piecing together evidence from fossils, modern animal vocalizations, and computer modeling, scientists are gradually uncovering the mysteries of dinosaur communication. Each fossilized bone and each modern animal call adds a piece to the puzzle. Scientists are gradually painting a more vivid acoustic portrait of the dinosaur world. This emerging picture helps us understand not just how dinosaurs looked, but also how they might have sounded, interacted, and lived in their ancient environments. Section 6. Space Chatter, Exploring Alternative Communication. But what if dinosaurs somehow found themselves in space? Could they communicate without the luxury of a sound-carrying medium? This is where we enter the realm of speculation, but it's a fascinating thought experiment. One possibility is that dinosaurs in space might have evolved alternative forms of communication that don't rely on sound. Visual signals like flashes of light or changes in skin color could convey messages across the void. Section 7. Electromagnetic Whispers. Can dinosaurs speak through space? Another intriguing possibility is communication through electromagnetic waves. Many animals on Earth use Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Perhaps spacefaring dinosaurs could have developed the ability to manipulate these fields, sending signals across vast distances. While this is highly speculative, it highlights the boundless possibilities of evolution and the universe's capacity to surprise us. It's important to remember that we've only scratched the surface of understanding the cosmos and its inhabitants, past and present. Section 8. Science Fiction versus Science Fact, the Case of Sound in Space. Science fiction often takes creative liberties with scientific accuracy, and sound in space is a prime example. While the booming soundtracks of space operas make for entertaining cinema, they don't reflect the reality of the soundless void. However, this doesn't mean that space is devoid of wonder. The absence of sound only heightens our appreciation for the visual splendor of the cosmos, from the swirling colors of nebulae to the majestic dance of galaxies. Section 9. The Universe. A silent movie with a symphony of wonders. The universe is a silent movie, but it's a movie filled with breathtaking visuals and awe-inspiring phenomena. Imagine standing under a clear night sky, gazing up at the stars. Each twinkling light tells a story, a tale of creation, destruction, and the endless dance of celestial bodies. The silence of space is profound, yet it speaks volumes to those who listen with their eyes and minds. While we may not hear the roar of a distant supernova or the whisper of the cosmic microwave background, our understanding of these events enriches our experience of the cosmos. The supernova, a star's dramatic end, sends shockwaves through the fabric of space-time, creating elements that become the building blocks of new stars, planets, and even life itself. The cosmic microwave background, a faint glow from the Big Bang, is a relic of the universe's infancy, a silent witness to its birth and evolution. So the next time you watch a space movie, take a moment to appreciate the silence behind the soundtrack. The music and sound effects may enhance the experience, but the true wonder lies in the quiet reality of space. Imagine the vast emptiness, the serene void where galaxies collide and stars are born in a cosmic ballet. This silence is not an absence but a presence, a reminder of the universe's grandeur and mystery. It's a reminder of the vastness of space, the fundamental laws of physics, and the boundless capacity of the universe to inspire wonder and curiosity. As you gaze through a telescope, you are not just looking at distant objects, you are peering into the past, seeing light that has traveled for millions, even billions of years to reach your eyes. This light carries with it the secrets of the cosmos, waiting to be unraveled by curious minds. The universe, in its silent splendor, invites us to explore, to question, and to dream.